You look at what these pigs have done. So one could look at this and think, oh, the ground is ruined. We're not looking at it like that. There's pig shit as fertilizer here. We're going to grow sweet potatoes. We're going to grow onions, garlic, squash, pumpkin. So yeah, we'll just keep moving them around and they'll be creating these little organic patches for us. Happy days. No labour, free fertilizer, and the end result is a happy pig and a tasty pig. So they're getting ready to move them back. The easiest thing is to leave these pigs like this. That is the easiest thing, but we don't do easy here. We do right. So we have the team getting ready to drag the pig huts to another area, and just trying to give them the very best living that we can, living conditions. Pigs don't want to be in shit. Only a farmer, a lazy farmer, had that rhetoric, trust me. And now we've got our vegetable patches here. Organic squash, pumpkin, onions, sweet potato, already fertilized, already prepared. So there's a benefit from this. Anything that I do with passion. I do with intellectual property. I challenge the standard format to see where the marginal gains could be. We invest in the right equipment. It is wonderful to see the pig farm take shape.
Come on. Go on, Tom. Go on, Tommy.
I simply love Charlie Big Bollocks. He's a wonderful character, and he's going to have a lot of fun with a lot of ladies. So in the summer months, we gave them fruit, berries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, working with local fruit farmers, and the pigs absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. So the whole seasonal fruit and veg cycle is what we're looking at now. The strawberries we gave them at one point. Now we move to pumpkins. Got to think very smart. End of season for Halloween. So normally all of this will go to waste, right? Not anymore. Straight into the pigs.
How many's that, Ben?
So it starts now. We're just going to load up. Big thank you to the farmer. Thank you very much. So again, we just want to make sure that, the ecosystem, unnecessary waste. So we want to make sure we get all of this stuff back to the farm and straight for the pigs. Yeah. So these are pumpkins. So these have grown out here?
Yes, they're all grown. Yeah, some of them were grown in another field and transplanted, but the majority of them have been grown out here.
Sure.
Especially these ones, this variety's gold medal, really nice variety. And these ones are Harvest Moon.
Harvest Moon?
Yeah.
Right. So again, we're just looking at the polyculture. What we can do, to recycle this before it has to go back into the ground. It doesn't make sense. Can we convert this into protein?
Yeah, I mean, obviously the pigs love them, I suppose, don't they?
Yeah. So we got these pumpkins, and this is the type of stuff they would forage in the wild. Organic. There's no antibiotics, no GMOs here. No GMOs here, people. Straight in. That's remarkable. Some people are pumping antibiotics into your pigs that you're feeding your children, and we're here doing this. Seasonal fruits all around the year. We will work with farmers within Kent the Garden of England, and we will work with seasonal fruits so they don't go to waste, and we can convert them into feed for the pigs. Well done, guys. So we've got the Mangalitas, and we move across. We see Charlie Big Bollocks here. Charlie Big Bollocks. He's having the time of his life. He could be in a concrete enclosure somewhere, no grass, no nothing, and just stuck in there, wallowing in his own shit. Or he's living like this. Where do you want to buy your meat from? Very proud of the process that we're following here. Let's go and see these youngsters. Yeah, these young bulls. You look at these, they're free, they're foraging, they're happy, you know. Moral compass. If you lack moral compass in farming, you're just a brutal person. I know one day they will die, but I can sit back and say while they lived, I gave them the very best that I could do. Look at this. And we're talking about carbon footprint. Yep, we're talking about waste in this country. There's so many other farms that could set something like this up and work with the local farmers. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is human consumption. You know, you could still eat these pumpkins, but you know, there are pumpkin farmers all over the country. So, the pumpkins are going in. When we say organic, we mean organic. It's just, for me, it's fantastic to see this. And it's seasonal. In summer, you saw us with the fruits. Now we're working with farmers after Halloween. Do you guys know that majority of this stuff is wasted? And here we can recycle it into protein.
We only use human grade products for our fantastic food. You can see the truth from the peas, the carrots, the raspberries, the strawberries, the free range eggs. Simply delicious. We are the only company that can brag that we know exactly where the protein sources came from. The reason for that is we are the owners of Stanhope Farm. We produce our own protein sources.
Look at these. How authentic is this?
Organic lamb and mutton, free range, happy, healthy. Working closely with fantastic vegetable and fruit farmers in Kent. With over 25 years dedicated to canine husbandry, I am proud, I am delighted to present Uncle Benji's Raw with the highest ingredient profiles in this country. Highly delicious, highly digestible, full of nutrition. We offer a money-back guarantee. Order today at poochdvd.com.